Life, it's a journey. This means you need to utilize all the opportunities to explore. Exploring could be anything that you like. Your life is not meant just to work and pay the bills. What is life then? Few individuals chose to live their life in very good apartment, living a decent life. Even I was in a dilemma what to choose. What I chose to explore. I chose to struggle. I chose to learn from my mistakes. I chose to go out and explore as much as I can. I chose a motorcycle. Riding on a sunny day, not stopping for water. Riding on a rainy day, not stopping for any shelter. Riding on a cold day, going through the fog. It feels like I have already conquered all the touring lessons. But no, there are more challenges to cover. Riding on a mountain road, leaning with my motorcycle on every corner. Riding on bad roads, experiencing the struggle to handle my motorcycle. Every moment I spent with my motorcycle, it creates new stories in my mind and in my heart. Exploring new places became a drug for me. And my motorcycle? Yeah, my motorcycle is the dealer for it. There is no specification for a motorcycle. All you need, a strong heart, which makes you a rider. There is always a start point for me. End point, it comes as per my decision. I do not have a strong heart, but I am carving it. My motorcycle is not expensive, but my experiences are. On road, I met people with same mental sound as mine. Whenever I see new people on the road, I ask them to stop for a small chit chat. And riding along with them, it's a different feeling. I have ridden alone to test my limits. I have ridden along with my friends to have a good time. Am I doing any plannings for my long rides? No, I don't. What's fun in that? Going alone and exploring is a different experience. Ride or drive with responsibility. This is MotoDucktor signing off.